Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some chicken breasts on my little Weber Q gas grill. I put the chicken breasts in this bucket of brine last night before I went to bed and just stuck the whole bucket in the refrigerator. My brine consists of half gallon of water, half a cup of kosher salt, and a quarter cup of brown sugar. What the brine does is it just makes the chicken juicier and gives it a little more flavor. But you know, if you don't want to use brine, just cook these the exact same way. Brining makes the chicken juicier, but it can make the skin a little bit soggy, so I'm going to dry the skin off the best that I can with this paper towel. Now I'm going to season the outside of the chicken with this barbecue rub from the J. Christopher Company. I actually walked down to the store, down to Andy's Market in front of my house earlier, and I was going to try a different rub because I've been using this one a lot. And they really didn't have much to choose from, and they were kind of expensive, so I figured, you know, heck with it. This one's pretty good, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I'm just going to use what I have. I'll get the grill warming up here. Just turn that to high and hit the igniter. And I'll get the lid down for a few minutes. Alright, it's been a few minutes. That should be pretty well warmed up now. I did take a wire grill brush and brush the grates off just to clean them. They're cast iron grates, so but they're kind of coated so they don't rust, so they're really nice. I'm going to try cooking these right on the grill grates, and I'm going to try cooking them skin side down first. I'm not sure how that'll work, but that's what we'll find out. Probably one other thing I should do is turn this down to low, and then I'll get the lid down and I'll just kind of keep an eye on them. It's been about 5 or 6 minutes, and I haven't done chicken breasts like this before, so I think I'm going to turn them over because I'm not sure like how dark the skin is going to get. Oh, actually that one looks pretty good. It's not burned. Oh yeah, I think this is working out pretty good here. I thought maybe the skin would be all burned and they'd be like flaming up like crazy, but that actually looks real good. All right, I'm just going to kind of keep an eye on them, and I might just kind of keep flipping them every maybe 5 or 10 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes since I turned them. Wow, those look real nice. So they've been on there a total of 20 minutes. I think I'll just flip them over on the other side there for a little bit longer. And I'm just going to keep an eye on these and start checking them with my quick read thermometer. And I'm going to pull them off when the internal temperature is about 160 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been about 40 minutes now, so I'm going to start checking these. They should be just about done, I think. Let's see here. 165, that one is done. What about this bigger one? 158, so that one might stay on just another minute or two. That one right there is 171. Yeah, I'm going to start getting these off of there. Sometimes the smaller ones will have to can come off a little sooner than the bigger ones. I'm not really a big fan of chicken breasts, but these actually look pretty good. Let me grab a knife and a cutting board and we'll see what they look like inside. Well, let's cut into this and see how dry it is. Well, actually that doesn't look too bad. I see a little moisture in there. Let me slice off a piece and try it out. You know, that's actually not too bad. Brining definitely helps a lot, but also I think the bone-in, skin-on chicken is a lot better than the boneless, skinless stuff. In my opinion, anyway. I guess we better let Annie, the taste test dog, taste it and see what she thinks. What do you think, Annie? I guess that's an approval. That was actually pretty good for chicken breast. So far, I don't think I've had anything not turn out good on that little grill. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.